How to fix your Canon PIXMA TR160. Now, depending what is the problem, I'll show you how it is done. So if you have a paper jam, for example, the easiest thing to do is, well, turn on your printer if it's not already done and open this cover where the ink cartridges are located. Before the carriage comes in the middle, inspect truly this roller. If there is a paper stuck anywhere that forbids the carriage to move left and right, you'll get that paper jam error. So if you see anything wrong, a small piece of paper with a tweezer or with your hands, go ahead and extract it. You can also take a look over here where the paper output is, if there is anything stuck, or take a look at the paper input. Again, sometimes paper gets stuck where the rollers are located. At the end, to make this error disappear, I suggest you remove the battery if you have a battery connected on the back, or unplug the printer from the wall outlet. Wait 20 seconds and then connect it back and turn it on. The error will go out by itself. If you're having issues with the Wi-Fi of this printer not being able to connect, the good news is that you can reset this Wi-Fi, this network part of the printer only, without doing a factory reset. Let me show you how it is done on the small display. So you're gonna go, let's go from the beginning over here. You're gonna go where the cogwheel is located, highlight it and press OK. Then select Device Settings, go down, select Reset Settings, and now go down and select LAN Settings Only. This is for Wi-Fi only. So fortunately, after doing this, you'll have to reconnect yourself to your Wi-Fi network, and when reconnecting, everything should work normally. You can also do a full factory reset by selecting Reset All, press OK, you'll have to confirm again, and the printer will be like a brand new one, and if there was a software glitch, you'll be able to fix it. Additionally, you can update this printer. Maybe you're on the last firmware and this is why it's not working properly. First of all, connect yourself to the Wi-Fi because that's how it needs to be if you want your printer to update by itself. And then from the same menu we were before, there is firmware update above it. By clicking Install Update, it will search. And if there is one, well, it will tell you. Right now, I'm not even connected to the Wi-Fi. This is why you see this. But usually you're going to see there is an update available. By pressing OK, the printer will install it by itself. Thanks for watching. If you found my video helpful, leave a comment. If you have any other solutions, leave them in the comment section. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one.